Okay. My dad thinks he can do 40 consecutive push-ups. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12. 20. Hey, watch.
Oh shit, I'm gonna lose my money.
It's on fire.
well, 30. Woo! Oh my
Wow.
Oh shit.
Let's take a look.
Easy.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
41.
Good job. Goddamn.
RC,
Still got it.
yes.
Woo!
Woo!
Wow.
I had 42, but
Dude, you
I did not
smoked
think you would do that.
it. Man, that's awesome.
I did not
Way to
think
go,
you would do
Pop.
that.
Well, you shut me up, Dad.
Man, baby.
And you made money.
Do it again, do it again.